By now, you've probably heard that AI can replace traditional 9 to 5 jobs. Right now is the best time to start selling AI agents to local businesses. And the crazy part is that you do not need any previous tech experience or coding to launch your own agency. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that monthly recurring revenue is flowing into your bank account. Once businesses see that your AI agents are working 24/7, never taking breaks, and never calling in sick, they won't be able to stop paying you for this service. And the best part is that you only need to set this up one time to have monthly recurring revenue. Now, I know you've probably tried a few online business models and it didn't work out. That's why you are watching this video. So to help you out further, I want to give you my free step-by-step course that is going to teach you how to start, launch, and scale your own AI agency. This includes pre-built AI tools and scripts that I personally use in my own AI agency to make money. Just drop the comment course below and I will send you a private link that will unlock this program. So today we will be using a software called Go High Level to create and sell AI solutions to businesses. You can charge a setup fee of anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 per client. On top of that, you can charge a monthly recurring revenue between $300 to $900 depending on what other AI services you are selling to that client. But to keep things simple today, let's start off by building your own AI employee. Okay, so if you want to start your own AI agency to sell AI services to businesses, you need to sign up for High Level. You can get a free 30-day trial to High Level using my link in the YouTube description below. Click on the link and enter your information right here. After you register, log into High Level and then go to AI agents. This will be in one of your sub accounts. Go to knowledge base. And this is where we can train our AI employee. So basically, the knowledge base is where you can feed it information so it has knowledge about a specific business. So if you are selling AI to businesses, you need information about that business and you will feed that information to this knowledge base. That is how the AI employee knows what to say, knows how to book appointments, knows how to cancel appointments, and everything else. So let's click on create knowledge base. We're just going to name this YouTube tutorial. Now make sure you name it to something that you can remember it by, because once you get a lot of clients, you may forget which knowledge base belongs to each client. So make sure you name it to something that you can remember it by. Click on create. And then here we can go to web crawler. Now we go to add source. Web crawler. So this is where you can enter a domain for a business. We can use exact URL. So if you want to scrape just one URL, you can enter it here. Or if you want to scrape all URLs with a specific path, you can select on that. However, for me today, I am going to use my real AI agency website and I'm going to scrape all URLs in this domain. I do recommend you to use this option because you obviously want to train the AI agent to know everything about your client's business. So let's just drop that in there. That is my website. Click on extract data. And now it is fetching all the pages related to my AI agency website. So this is how you can train the brain behind the AI employee. Now, one thing to note is that your AI agent is not an expert. So for example, if you were to create this for a plastic surgeon, you have to tell the plastic surgeon that, hey, look, you are still the brains behind your company. However, an AI agent is supposed to handle all the questions and inquiries just like an admin assistant will do. So this is where a lot of businesses get it wrong. They think that an AI employee can have their brain and start talking about different plastic surgery procedures, but that is not the point. The goal here is to have an assistant take a lot of the task off your plate. So it looks like this is all done. If I click on view all pages, you can see that it scraped all these pages. And now what I want to do is select all and then click on train bot. So now it is training the AI employee. It's processing. Once it's done, it should say that it is finished. So we are just going to wait for that. Okay, so now it says trained. Now, sometimes for my client's website, there is a specific section that has FAQ, so frequently asked questions. I do recommend you to get your client to have one dedicated webpage that is FAQ because that will help train the knowledge base much better. On top of that, you want to go to FAQs and then you want to add your own FAQs. So if we go to add source, FAQ, here is where you can ask your client the most common questions they get asked. So, for example, if I am creating an AI agent for my own business, what are the most common questions I get asked? People may ask me, what do you charge for an AI agent? The answer will be, we charge a setup fee between 25 to 3,500. I'm just typing out dollars so the knowledge base knows that this is a dollar amount, depending on the package that you choose. We have a starter package and we also have a advanced package. And you can go more in detail, but I like to keep things simple because if a customer calls a business and the AI agent keeps rambling on about an answer, then the customer might get frustrated, right? Like in real life, if you were to call a business and a real human being picks up the phone, they're not going to ramble on with 1,000 characters. They're probably going to say something simple. So you want to make this as close to human-like as possible. Click on save. So if your client has like a Word document or something that has all of the FAQs, you can do that. So I'm not going to fill in all the FAQs right now because that would be a waste of time, but you get the idea. You want to have the most common questions that your client gets asked and then upload the FAQs. Now, one thing that is very powerful as well is that if your client has like a Google Doc or a PDF or whatever type of document, you can also add it as a source. So if I go to web crawler, you can get a link of a Google document. So let's pretend that your plastic surgeon client has like a Google Doc of all the procedures that he performs. You can get that Google Doc link and then choose exact URL, paste it in here, and then click on extract data. The more data we can feed this, the better and more accurate the AI employee will be when they are answering customer questions and inquiries. Now, if you want my free step-by-step course on how to build this, then just comment the word course below and I will send you a private link that will unlock my entire program completely for free. Okay, so now that we are done training the knowledge base, let's click back and we will click on getting started. And here is where you can sell two different types of AI services to your clients. These are the two main AI services that I sell. First is the voice AI. So this is where you can set up a voice AI agent to answer calls, book appointments, send text messages, and all that good stuff. So if a customer calls into a business, the AI agent can handle all of those inquiries. If you want a step-by-step on how to do that, then make sure you watch my previous YouTube video right here where I talk about it. Next, we have conversation AI. This is where the AI bot can chat with customers back and forth. So if you are doing this for a business that has a website or social media, there is an AI bot that can do all the conversation for that client. So you can hook up this AI bot to Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and the AI employee will respond back and forth without a human needing to be there. Just imagine how much time and money a business can save by having these two AI services in their business. And before we go, I just want to show you how this AI employee will sound like if you were to sell this to your clients.
Hey, you have reached the Face Studio. How can I help you today?
Hi there, I am looking to inquire about your lip blush service.
Our lip blush service involves applying semi-permanent pigment to your lips, enhancing their natural color and creating a subtle tinted effect. It's perfect for those looking to recreate definition, increase volume, or revive the color in their lips. Would you like more information on booking an appointment or anything else?
I do want to book an appointment.
Great. To get started, could you please tell me your name?
My name is Tamara.
Just to make sure I've got it right, Your name is Tamara. Is that correct?
That is right.
Awesome, Tamara. Could you please provide your email address so we can contact you about the appointment?
Email is tamara@digitalonlinesolutionsinc.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is TAMARA@digitalonlinesolutionsinc.com. Is that correct?
That is right.
Perfect. Now, could you let me know what specific issue or query you have for our team?
I also want to book a eyebrow tattoo.
Got it. I'll make sure our team knows you're interested in both the lip blush and eyebrow tattoo services. A team member will reach out to you soon to finalize the details. Thanks for reaching out, Tamara. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye. Don't forget, you can get a free 30-day trial to Go High Level using my link in the YouTube description below. Also, if you want access to my free step-by-step course that includes pre-built agents and the exact scripts that I use to make money with my own agency, then make sure you comment the word course and I will send you a private link that will unlock my program.